CatioLift skin lifting treatment using facial stimulation. Face, eye contour and neck treatment with an immediate lifting effect. The stimulation function on the Catio Vital Lift machine sends out an excitomotor current that's able to provoke subcutaneous muscle contractions, thus developing greater tone and volume. The CatioLift treatment is performed in 2 phases. Phase 1, stimulation with a lifting effect. Phase 2, face and eye massage. Determine your client's beauty goals during the beauty consultation. Wash your hands thoroughly, then disinfect your equipment. Carefully remove makeup from your client's eyes with Eye Clean. Then, cleanse her entire face and neck using cleansers that are best suited to her specific skincare needs. Rinse, apply lotion, then gently dry the skin. Exfoliate your client's skin to eliminate dead skin cells that obstruct pores. This will help replenish oxygen to the skin and facilitate the penetration process of the active ingredients. Rinse, apply lotion, then dry the skin. Apply the vital essences that best correspond to your client's skin type to her face and neck, avoiding the eye contour. Vital essences effectively activate the skin's vital functions. They replenish the skin with the beauty-enhancing energy of essential oils. They also boost the penetration, diffusion, and effectiveness of the subsequently applied skincare products. Stimulation is triggered by an excitomotor current generated by the electrodes. The intensity of this current must be adjusted based on the client's level of skin sensitivity for optimal comfort. There are 2 stimulation phases. Tissue draining stimulation to activate blood and lymph circulation, which also helps replenish oxygen to the skin tissues and eliminate toxins. Muscular stimulation to increase muscle volume and firmness, as well as create a lifting effect that's visible on the skin surface. Begin by applying a thick layer of serum gel to the face, neck and eye contour area. It's not necessary to apply the serum to the T-zone. Set the timer to 20 minutes. Press the stimulation button. Set a low intensity level for the tissue draining stimulation phase, starting at 2. Move the ball electrodes over the client's skin using downward tissue draining movements in the same direction as blood circulation. Forehead, eye contour, smile lines, and neck. Repeat each of the 4 movements 3 times, first on one side of the face, then on the other for the first 10 minutes. Repeat these same steps on the other side of the face. Begin the muscle stimulation phase. Increase the intensity level between 5 and 10 based on your client's level of sensitivity. Continue moving the electrodes over your client's skin using the following movements. They stimulate each muscle in the face. During the treatment, you'll adjust the stimulation intensity level based on the different areas treated, as well as your client's level of sensitivity. During the last 10 minutes, repeat each of the 5 movements 3 times, first on one side of the face, then on the other. The mastoid muscles, masseter muscles, small and large zygomatic muscles. Eye orbicular. Forehead. Show your client these spectacular beauty results on the first side of her face. Repeat all the steps on the second side of your client's face. Remove all remaining gel with a spatula. Rinse, apply lotion, then gently dry the skin. Begin by massaging the eye contour using New Youth Eye Contour Care. Next, massage the face with one of the 5 Essences oils. Perform a massage using your own techniques for approximately 10 minutes. There are 5 different Essences oils to choose from. Moisturizing Essences oils to moisturize and smooth the skin. Nourishing Essences oils to restore comfort to dry skin. Soothing Essences oils to soothe and calm reactive skin. Vitalizing Essences oils to regenerate the skin. Balancing Essences oils to deeply cleanse and purify the skin as well as regulate sebum secretion. At the end of the massage, wipe off the excess oil. Apply the refreshing eye mask, then face mask that's adapted to your client's skin. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse, apply lotion, then dry the skin. Now, apply the products that are best suited to your client's skincare needs to each area of her face. Show your client her spectacular beauty results using the Beauty Mirror. This treatment leaves your client's skin silky, soft, supple, and increasingly toned. Her face is visibly smoother. Her contours are firmer. Make an appointment for her next treatment. Give your client her beauty prescription, which lists the products to be used between 2 salon treatments. Determine how frequently the client should come in for treatment based on her beauty goals, immediate, profound, or long-lasting. Schedule sessions once a month for skincare maintenance.